Hi everyone, this is Olivia from the Alexandrienne channel. I hope everybody's doing great today. We are going to do part two of creating our adorable little bee. So, if you're ready, let's get started. There are a few different ways that you can create your lines that add variety. One of those is to make a solid line, which is what I've done up till now, or you can make broken lines. The broken lines tend to add a little more movement, just a little more variety within the drawing itself. Or something else, you can take that solid line and then add another line that isn't right on top of that line. I don't know what you would call that other than a couple lines, but it tends to add movement as well. It's kind of a childlike quality. I like it a lot. If you look at my art, you'll find that on quite a few things I've done that. I'll add an extra line here or there because it adds movement, depth, interest. But all three of them are great, and you can combine them as well. You can use solids with broken lines or the double lines, just whatever you feel looks good. Let's go ahead and draw a bee. One more bee. In this one, we're using kind of a combination of the lines that I just showed you. Like his face has got the broken lines or the double lines, and so does the antenna and the stripes. And his wings. And you can see how that looks. Kind of childlike, really cute. It does come out to be a little more bold because you have, a thicker outline in places. One of the cutest ones. But then I'm partial to the double lines. And now here's one with broken lines. And you can see as compared to the ones with the solid lines, this might tend to have a little bit more movement. Not necessarily, it also depends on how everything is colored in, if you color it. Okay, now we'll draw the nose. See, it's just kind of a broken line there. Some eyes, and this one only has a little dot for a mouth, which I think makes it look even more like a baby. This little antenna, and if you'll notice, I'm kind of combining the line types. There's solids, there's the double, and the broken line, which you can do, and it looks actually, I think, very good. Any of the ways are quite acceptable. Now his little swirl. And we're almost all done. And while I'm putting the dots on his swirl, I wanted to let you know that on the next one, we will be painting the bees, which I'm really excited about. It is so much fun. Okay, back to drawing. Now we're going to go on to one last part. We are going to draw a final bee for today. If you'll notice, I have his head a little bit at an angle. And don't forget, you need to remember your horizontal and vertical center lines for his face. And I've made his body out of an oval with a little bit of a curve. And this time I'm making his wings a little more ovalish instead of roundish. And there's the basic bee outline, which takes about less than a minute. Okay, and now I'm going to just kind of sketch in a little bit his nose, his eyes, and then his cute little smile. And here we go with the antenna. And just something to mention, you can put them wherever you want. But on this bee, I'm putting his antenna just about directly above his eyes. And now his little lines, and we're almost done. Few little lines on his wings for more interest. And now his swirl. He's done. And he is one happy bee. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned how to draw a really cute, very quick, and simple bee. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. And I would like to thank the following contributors because they helped to make everything possible: Sherry Burke, Lori Dobson, Maria Harkey, and Travis Williams.